So welcome back to the channel everyone. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So yes, this thing which you guys can see right here, it's not even fitting in my phone's like camera frame because the way I've arranged it is like so messed up. Maybe I might show you guys a photo of it, but yes, this thing which you guys see right now is a gaming mouse pad, not basically a gaming mouse pad, but then this is an RGB mouse pad which I wanted it from a long time because I do not have any RGB stuff. Like legit anything, not even my mouse, not even my keyboard on my laptop or anything. So this is the only thing which I got as an RGB. So today we are gonna unbox it, and I got this for like one 2k 2000 rupees, and this is from Amazon Basics. And I saw the reviews, and they were like quite good, and then yeah, like it's really good according to me. So let's get started, let's unbox it. So here we go. Yes, so we are gonna throw this. It's just like that. Okay, so looks pretty good. The packaging is quite premium, looks good, looks neat and clean. Okay, so now let's cut that off, and let's cut that off. And I'm sorry, I do not have a good unboxing material. I'm using some knife, and I know I should not be doing that, but then I do not have particular stuff for it. So yeah. Okay, oh yes, first look. Okay, so wow, that looks good. Fine, so now so the quality is supposed to be really good. They have given this braided wires, which is really good and long lasting. And this oh god, yeah, so this is a braided wire, which USB braided USB cable. Yes, I guess that's what we're gonna say. uh, Sorry guys. And this is gonna get connected in our laptop or in a charging brick or an adapter, and it is connected over here. That main thing is connected over here, and this is gonna get connected in our laptop or in our charging brick, which is basically an adapter. Okay, so that was basically it. And let's see, the wire is quite long, and if our laptop is like quite close, then I guess we can just keep it like this, or we can put it somewhere far away um, using an brick adapter. Oh my god, yes. So this is the gaming. Oh yes, so these I guess are the lights. I'm not sure, so we are gonna open it also. And yes, as you guys can see over here, this I guess for the bright tab or something, or maybe, oh god, can you, yeah, this is for the bright tab or something I guess. And this is for maybe changing the colors, or it has actually 7 different colors. Yellow, I don't know what are the colors, but then yes, it has 7 different colors, and three rainbow colors I guess, like which rotate continuously. Yeah. And this is not fabric, this is like a hard plastic, yes. And I guess it's gonna be really fun when we use it. And we can even keep a laptop on this, but this is a mouse pad, so I guess it would be rather better if you would keep a mouse pad, I mean our mouse on it. Okay, so yeah. And these oh my god, my hands. Okay, these gloves and all, I'm using them because I'm not well, and then my mom told that please be careful. So yeah, because of this new corona thing, I have to be extra careful. So yeah, that's the reason I'm using all these things. Okay, so let me just get cleaned up with this stuff, and once we are like done with it, I will get this connected and get this going, and we'll see how it is. So yep, stand by. Also, what we get in this is that I don't know what it is. Hard, yes, hard gaming mouse pad, as you guys can see. Let's see what's in the book. Safety, compliance, pull, yeah, useless setup. We get this cleaning. Yeah, there's nothing much we need to know. Yeah, we got this, guys, we got this. So now I have set it up, and I'm ready like I have set it up as you guys can see, and now you have to just plug in this USB cable over here, and that's gonna on, and the lights are gonna glow up, and I'm so excited for that. Okay, so let's do it. And three, oh yes, as you guys can see, I guess you can see. Can you see? Okay, let me turn off my lights. Oh yes, that looks so great and amazing. Yes, as you guys can see, this is the very amazing mouse pad I've got, and like there are two buttons here. I guess you guys cannot see, but no problem. I said yes. I'll turn it off eventually. Or we can dim the lights. Yes, it is seen. It looks so amazing. So this is as you guys can see, yes, over here this button where there's a like kind of a torch thingy over here. It is for the brightness. I'll show you. And this thing, it is basically for changing the lights and changing the mode of it. So yes, now it's going like very fast, not very fast, but then fast, and then this is going even more fast, and this is a permanent color, like it's gonna stay, it's not gonna change. Green, and then there's yellow, no, there's lime color in this, and yes, and then yes, this looks amazing. And then the torch thing I showed you guys, that was the brightness thing. And if we, yeah, see, as you guys can see, it's dimming and it's off, and boom boom boom. Yes, that is the brightest we can go. And yes, this is red, purplish, I guess. Yes, blue, I don't know what color that is. White, and off. And now when I turn it on, yes, as you guys can see right now, it's glowing. And let me just turn on the lights. Yes, okay, so now it looks amazing. Now let me just turn on the whole lights, and then I'll show you guys. Yes, there we go. So it is it is noticeable even in the daylight, like with a lot of light, as you guys can see. Yeah, that is quite bright. It is sort of noticeable if we have a dark table. I have a green one, so it's not really that noticeable, but then if we have a black table or whatever, so it's quite noticeable that time. And this is really good for it's really good for, what do you say, like sliding the mouse around. So currently I was checking it out. So before this, I guess, yes, I was checking it out. So I have plugged this here, but then I put my laptop for charge, and it was like not charging really fast. It was really slow for charging my laptop, I guess, because this thing was taking a lot of power. So I don't know what to do. So maybe I might plug it in over there. I might plug it in an adapter, the power adapter, and I'll put it over there, because if this takes a lot of battery to charge, then like if my laptop charges slow, then it's not a good thing. Also, this takes a lot of power, I guess, so I don't want to like get my laptop totally messed up. So I might just put my the USB cable, I might get it attached to an adapter, so I guess it would be better. Alright, so now maybe let me think, and then I'll get back to you guys. So yes, I have connected it to an adapter right now, because I didn't feel it really comfortable on my laptop. So yep, that was it. So this was the video, but it's not a complete review, it was just unboxing. Maybe I might give you the review when I am totally fine and done with this cold and not being well, so I can give you guys a proper review about it, and I can even use it for a few days, and then I'll get to know how it is and what are the pros, what are the cons. So yeah, that is it for today, and I hope you all liked the video. I hope you all like this mouse pad, and I'll leave a link to it in the description box below, just in case you guys wanna purchase it or have a look on it. And I got it for 1,999, which is basically 2K. So yeah, I'll leave a link in the description box below, and share this video with your friends, family, and RGB lovers, I guess. Yeah, and then comment down your thoughts below. How was the mouse pad and all, and subscribe to my channel, share my videos, and like my videos. And yep, that's it. I'll meet you in the next one, and until then, bye. Have a wonderful day ahead.